There is a prophecy that two sons of Adam and two daughters of Eve will appear to defeat the White Witch and put an end to this 100-year winter.
I think you've made a mistake.
Hello everyone, I'm Jeff, your real-life English fluency coach. And today, we are bringing you to English Movie with Subtitles for Learning, the fantasy world of Narnia, which tells us about the adventures of four siblings in the imaginary land of Narnia, guided by the talking lion named Aslan and fighting the evil White Witch to restore peace in the kingdom. Today we'll see how these four children find themselves in this magic place for the very first time, and we'll observe their reactions and learn how to express surprise and other emotions in English. But before we get started, let me remind you that we will watch this movie with subtitles. You'll learn the most important vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar from subtitles. Without wasting more time, let's get started.
Come on! You've got to be joking.
You stop shoving!
Impossible.
Don't worry. I'm sure it's just your imagination.
I don't suppose saying we're sorry would quite cover it.
No, it wouldn't. With that, Mike.
Ow! Stop it!
You little liar.
You didn't believe her either.
Apologise to Lucy. Say you're sorry.
All right. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Maybe we should go back. Shouldn't we at least take a look around?
I think Lucy should decide.
I'd like you all to meet Mr. Thomas.
Well then, Mr. Tumnus it is.
But we can't go hiking in the snow, dressed like this.
No. But I'm sure the professor wouldn't mind us using these. Anyway, if you think about it logically, we're not even taking them out of the wardrobe.
But that's a girl's coat.
I know.
Come on! You've got to be joking.
The first expression of surprise we're going to learn today is "you've got to be joking." In the scene, Susan can't believe her brother Edmund is actually offering them to hide in this wardrobe. The phrase "you've got to be joking" doesn't necessarily mean that someone is joking or you don't believe someone, but rather it expresses your surprise to see or hear that. You can come across these other phrases with the same meaning. You must be joking. You gotta be kidding me. Are you kidding me? Check out these other examples.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Do something, Jonathan. You can command them.
You have got to be joking.
You stop shoving!
Now the word shove means to push with force. For example, when you push the door, that's normal. When you shove the door, those around you will understand that you're angry or very upset about something.
Impossible.
If you see or hear something you can't believe is true or you're surprised, you could simply say impossible. Other variants may be unbelievable, mind-blowing.
Don't worry. I'm sure it's just your imagination.
Imagination is our ability to form images in our minds. Something I think about sometimes is when children are afraid of monsters under their beds or in the wardrobes, and we tell them, "There is nothing there, it's just your imagination." But maybe we need to remember that actually it's important to develop your imagination. That's where creativity comes from.
I don't suppose saying we're sorry would quite cover it.
When we suppose, we are guessing or thinking. So here Peter is simply saying that he thinks saying sorry wouldn't be enough. Now, if you watch the movie, you might remember that Lucy was the first one to see Narnia, and she was trying to tell about this magic land to her other siblings, and they couldn't believe her. And now they feel like they should apologize to her. To cover it in this context means to compensate or make up for something. Imagine that you forgot an important day or a meeting and now you want to apologize to the other person and offer them a gift. You can say, "I want to make it up to you."
Good morning, Princess!
What's all this about?
You know, we kind of got off to a bad start yesterday, and I wanted to make it up to you. I mean, after all, you did rescue me.
Thanks.
Ow! Stop it!
You little liar.
You didn't believe her either.
Apologize to Lucy. Say you're sorry.
All right. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Here Edmund reminds his older brother that he didn't believe Lucy either when she first told them about Narnia. Either here is used to mean also. You see, when you agree with something your friend does or likes and you feel the same, you use the words like to as well, and also. But in negative statements, you would use either instead. I love ice cream. I love it too. I don't like blue cheese. I don't like it either. It's also good to know that there are two variants of pronunciation, either and eater. Both are correct. All right, great job. If you've enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to give it a like and share it with a friend who's also learning English. Thanks for watching.